everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the secrets of getting soft, plump and beautiful lips. Whether you're dealing with dryness, chapped lips, or just want that naturally fuller look, I've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Now let's get into it. Step 1. Hydration is key. The first step to beautiful lips is hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your lips naturally plump and healthy. Dehydration can make your lips look dull and dry, so always keep a water bottle handy. Step 2. Exfoliation for smooth lips. Exfoliating your lips removes dead skin cells and leaves them feeling soft. You can use a lip scrub or make your own with honey and sugar. Gently massage it on your lips in circular motions for about a minute, then wipe it off with a damp cloth. Step 3. Moisturize and nourish. After exfoliating, always apply a hydrating lip balm. Look for ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or vitamin E. These will help lock in moisture and keep your lips feeling soft all day long. Step 4. Plump it up naturally. Want fuller lips without injections? Try natural plumping methods. Cinnamon and peppermint oil slightly boost blood circulation, making your lips appear fuller. Just mix a drop with your lip balm and apply it gently. Step 5. Lip masks for extra care. Just like face masks, lip masks are great for deep hydration. You can use a store-bought one or make your own with honey and aloe vera gel. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off. Step 6. The power of lip makeup. Enhance your lips with the right makeup. Use a lip liner slightly outside your natural lip line to create a fuller look. Apply a creamy lipstick and finish with a gloss for that plump, juicy effect. Step 7. Maintain a healthy diet. Eating a nutrient-rich diet can improve the appearance of your lips. Foods high in vitamins A, C and E like avocados, nuts and leafy greens help keep your lips nourished from the inside out. And there you have it! Follow these simple steps and you'll have soft, plump and beautiful lips in no time. Let me know in the comments which tip was your favourite. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more beauty tips. See you in the next video.